Let us see, pero parang maganda, no, yung nahahagip nating energy. So, alamin natin yan kung bakit parang maganda. Kasi parang, alam mo yan, no? Alam mo, parang feeling na parang nagsusulputan, no, yung mga fresh na flowers sa paligid. So, it looks like there's something here about to bloom into your life. Okay, something that's fresh. Feels like new. Something na maganda at mabango. Yan. Let's see. Something na kaaya-aya. Wow, that word, no? Kaaya-aya. So, let us see. Yeah, this deck, no, is quite big. Ano kaya ito? You know, you could be seeing angel number 999 or you could be seeing a lot of number 9s, no? Kahit na mag-isa lang yung 9, may kasama yung number 9, you could be seeing a lot of number 9s, no? Alam mo, ibig sabihin nun, your manifestation is on its way. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng mga babes, no? Ibig sabihin, no? Kung ano man yung wini-wish mo, dinidream mo, no? Ito ay nagpo-form na or nagpo-forma na rito, no? To appear into your reality, into your 3D world. So, wow, I'm seeing you celebrating right here. Okay, so let me finish first, no, ito. And yeah, look at that. We have here the star. Wow. So definitely, this is a great, wow. So definitely, wow, na wow talaga. No, alam mo, yung isa lang masasabi ko dito. Congrats, yan, no? Congratulations, mga babes, no? Ayan. So, let me continue. Wow! Alam mo, ngayon lang ako napawaw sa 10 of Wands energy. Wow! See, 8 of Wands right here. Wow! Wow. Look at that wine. Okay? Isa yung expensive wine, no? At isa yung indication ng celebration. So, let me finish this first, okay? We have here the 9 of coins. Oh, wow, look at that, okay? 8 of coins and Knight of Cups energy. Looks like meron kayong kadate dito, no? So, tinan mo yan. Yan, no? You are both on the phone, yeah, no, talking, no, sa isa't isa, okay? So, I do pick up, there's a meetup right here, okay, and you could have a date, yan, no? So, mamaya bubuuhin natin yan, no, with other informations right here, but, okay, so, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome, newbies. Thank you so much. You're here. And yun nga sa aking mga pabalik-balik na mga subscribers. Thank you so much, no, sa inyong walang sawa talaga, no, na pag-patronage talaga dito sa aking channel. And yes, no, sa mga 24/7 na nandito, hoy, magsitulog naman kayo. But, excuse me, nabutol yun. So, yun nga, ano, puwede naman kayo matulog paggising ninyo mga babes, 'no? Saka na lang kayo ulit manood, 'di ba? Or 'pag meron kayong free time, yan. Thank you so much, no, na yung channel ko yung kasama kahit na naka-break kayo, naka-lunch break, naka-coffee break, yan, 'no? And even bago kayo matulog. So, yung mga babes nasamid pa ako. So, yun nga, ano. And yun nga, wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki. Excuse me. LGBT, excuse me, no? Lahat kayo welcome dito mga sweethearts. And yes, kung hindi nyo pa notice, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So if you're interested na tumambay dyan, then you can do that. Basta just take only what resonates. And yun nga, no, may free will kayo at the end of the day, no, na pwede nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And yun nga, ang ganda guys, no? Congrats! No, you do not see something coming here with the moon card energy, Ace of Wands, that this will make you feel excited. Look at your face, Okay? So you're busy doing something, you're having a great life, you're happy, no, to where you're at right now in your life, no. So you could be enjoying here your life. You are someone here, no, na nag-e-enjoy, like ginagawa mo lang dito yung mga dapat mong gawin everyday, you're going to work, you're loving your work, even though may mga parang mga dagdag na mga trabaho, no, at may mga pagbabago sa yung work, sa yung career, sa yung job, no, carry lang, laban lang, no, and there's something here, no, in your energy na parang kahit na may mga pumapasok or dumadating na mga problema, this is you remain calm, no? Hindi kayo nagpapanik, hindi kayo yung nagpapalugmok, no? Hindi kayo nagmumukmok sa tabi, no? So I'm seeing you right here, you're also meeting your friends, no, from time to time, no. So pag meron ditong time to enjoy, you're not saying no, okay, because you are with your soul tribe, alam mo na mas magiging happy ka, tatawa ka, and you deserve that, no. You're being with your circle of friends, no. I'm seeing that, no. And also you are spending here time with your family, with your relatives, no. So nakikita ko dito your life uh would not be at its best right now, but you're happy. Yan, no? And you are chasing and going after your dreams, no? So kahit na parang hindi ka pa nandun sa punto ng life mo ngayon na talagang matatawag mo yung sarili mong successful na, happy ka. Yan, no? And that is why, yan, no, sumasabay pa sa ating panahon ngayon, no? Raining ngayon, mga babes, no? But here you are, raining, pouring dito mga babes ng mga blessings. Wow! So nakikita natin dito, congratulations kasi matatamasa mo na yung kaunlaran, no, na tinatawag. So talaga naman mga babes, no, alam mo yung nakakaloka dito, no. We have here, okay, this 10 of Wands energy. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, no, sa lahat ng 10 of Wands, dito yung natuwa ako. Ha? Paano ka natuwa dyan, Miss Yan? Because it is being paired and confirmed by Eight of Wands energy. I'm seeing you being overwhelmed sa mga pagpasok ng mga biyaya. Sunod-sunod na pagpasok ng biyaya sa buhay mo. Ikaw na lang talaga yung susuko rito, ma-overwhelmed. Like, wait lang, awat muna, yan, no? Wait lang. So, parang ikayo to, no, mga babes, na talagang kayo to, that you will receive a lot. Kaya naman, blessings are pouring dito. Kaya naman, ano pang hinihintay mo, i-getching mo na mga babes, no? So, nakikita ko dito ng mga 8 of Wands, no? Yan, no? Yan. So, nakikita ko kayo rito, on the go na naman, halabira na naman kayo rito with the 8 of Wands energy. Sige, pasok pa, dating pa kayo mga blessings, no? So, kahit na ma-overwhelm kayo rito sa sunod-sunod na mga biyaya, alam mo kasi mga babes, no? Ang energy kasi rito ng mga biyaya, no, is may dumating, tapos may dadating ulit, tapos may dadating na naman. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. Why is that, no? Because this is you. We have here stairway to light. And mga babes, ha, yung stairway na yan, no, hindi yan pagtawid sa liwanag. Hindi pa mga babes, no, wala ritong yayaon, no, wala ritong mga babes na mamamaalam sa earth, no. Yung stairway to light na yan, no, yan, ang nakikita ko dito, no, is this, look at that. We have here double Roman numeral number 10, which is, there's this, ending of something, okay? At hindi kayo natatakot na mga i-end yung mga bagay dito na hindi na nagbe-benefit here for you guys, no? And I'm seeing that you are creating a lot of new beginnings, no? You're making a decision, okay, with the 2, Roman numeral number 2, and I'm seeing double again, Roman numeral number 1, no? So, ano ba tong mga biyayang paparating sa'yo rito, no? So, simple lang naman, no? May nakikita tayong unli dito, no? Unlimited na pasok ng kaperahan sa'yo, like hindi nauubos. Unlimited na pasok rito, no? Ng, ayan, no? Pagkain sa inyong hapagkainan, no? Mamili kayo, no? May pizza dyan, may cake. Ano yun? Steak, yan, no? May ham, antare, kahit hindi Pasko, pwede kayong mag-ham, yan, no? May sausage, meron dito ng taray, may ganito pang klase, no? Ng plating. So, I do see that you will have a lot at hindi nauubos dito ang iyong resources, mga babes, no? Money keeps on coming in into your life. You're attracting here a lot of opportunities, no? For this to happen in your life, and you're gonna see it double, you know? Yung iba, no, mga babes, no, para na rin kayo rito kasing linaw, malinaw yung mata ninyo, tapos pag nilagyan nyo pa ng eyeglass yan, super linaw, no? So I do pick up right here that this is you, kitang-kita mo, no? Ang pag-angat at paglagoy, no? Your money is going up, your business, no, is gaganda kung may negosyo ka rito. And if you want to make negosyo, no, iba nakikita ko, you're gonna partner up with your friends, no, or with your family member right here, no, then I'm seeing that it will be successful. Okay, at nakikita ko rito na maraming pagpaplano kasi makikita mo rito na parang naka-align lahat, no, ng mga gusto mong mangyari rito. Naka-align lahat ng mga gusto mo ritong matupad, no? And you're gonna see it right before your eyes even though you do not have eyeglasses with grades, diba? So, nakikita ko rito that with the star card energy, the universe is giving you this opportunity. Kaya naman salain mo na itong pouring, no, raining of blessings dito ay nagpo-pour sa inyong life. Unlimited na money offers, no, to make your money na umangat dito, mag-expand dito, no, sa pamamagitan ng iyong negosyo, binabalak mong negosyo, sa pamamagitan ng iyong trabaho, career, job, no, and whatever that is. Okay? And I'm seeing na kahit na dito ay rumakit-rakit ka lang, sideline, side hustle, no, it will still give you money. So I do pick up right here that because of that, you will also have that choices, no, sa mga pagkain at laging may laman ang hapagkainan ninyo, no. Pwede kayo rito kumain ng anything you want, no. If you want steak everyday, then pwede yon, mga babes, no. Everyday steak. Excuse me, yayamanin, no? So, yung iba, no, dyan, kagaya dyan sa ibang mga malls, no, ang presyo ng isang plate ng steak, 15,000 pesos. Yes, may ganun mga babes, no? Hindi ko na babanggitin yung pangalan ng restaurant, no? Pero, may ganun, no? So, see, you can definitely have a lot at ma-overwhelm ka dito, no? And kahit na ma-overwhelm ka dito, no, parang wait lang, teka lang, sandali, parang feeling mo, kailangan mo muna ng break dito, ng rest dito sa pag-receive ng mga blessings, no, kasi hindi ka magkakamayaw, no, kasi di mo alam kung ano mong gagawin mo dyan, sunod-sunod yung mga biyaya rito, pero sige, go, pasok pa kayo sa life ko, no, kahit na ma-overwhelm ka dito. Wow, and you're gonna see this. You are appearing as the Queen of Cups, sweetheart. Wala tayong gender dito, no? Look at that. You're celebrating all of this success, okay? You're celebrating all of this success because you showed the universe right here. Pinakita mo kay universe dito na kahit na, okay, wala ka pa sa punto ng buhay mo ngayon, na nare-receive mo na mayaman ka na ngayon, hindi pa, di ba? No? Na kahit na yung buhay mo simple lang pero may trabaho ka, you're thankful, no? Kahit na yung ulam mo hindi steak, no? You're thankful, 'di ba? And you're happy, no, with the people in your life, your family, your parents, your siblings right here. Okay, you're contented, no? But this is you. You know that you have wishes, your goals, target goals, but you're not pressured at all. This is you. Parang ganito ka sa sarili mo. Makakamit ko yan, magagawa ko yan. Yan, no? Balang araw, maaabot ko lahat ng yan, no? And why is that? It is because you, okay, feel grateful for those little things that you have. Okay? Hindi ka nagrereklamo everyday. Kung ayan yung almusal mo, kape, tinapay lang. Hindi ka nagrereklamo na nagko-commute ka ngayon, wala kang car. Okay? You're happy going to school, going to work, no? May baon ka man or wala, no? Kapos man yung kinain mong ulam, wala kang ekstrang kanin, 'di ba? You're not making reklamo, and the universe, nakita niyang lahat ng yon. Okay? Have seen it all. So, the universe right here is giving you all of this because you deserve to receive all of this, no? Wow! Alam mo, kahit hindi 999 makita mo mga babes, no, maaaring nakikita mo rin ang 888, angel number 888, or a lot of number 8s, okay? It also means financial, no? freedom is coming into your life as well, no? And also, nakikita ko rin dito, no, na posibleng nakikita mo rin ang angel numbers 444, no, or a lot of number 4s, yan. So, 333, okay, you could be seeing that, no? Any synchronicity, sweetheart, no, is an indication that you are someone who is receiving this, no? So, nakikita ko dito na magsusunod yung mga biyaya, may darating, tapos may darating pa ulit, tapos may darating pa ulit, tapos may darating pa ulit na hindi dito matatapos, no? Unlimited ito. Wow! So, nakikita natin dito na hindi lang yan, no? Nakita rin tayo dito ng love life para sa mga single people ko out there, no, with the nine of coins energy, eight of coins right here, no. So you could be talking here, no, with someone, no, who is matching, no. Parehas na meron kayong trabaho ng taong ito. So kung wala pa to sa buhay mo, no, nakikita ko dito that you're attracting new love. So wherever this person is, no, sa anumang part ng world right now, you're attracting this soulmate, and definitely parehas kayo rito. May trabaho din siya just like you, no? Happy rin siya sa kanyang life just like you, no? And this person right here, no, is may kakayanan rin dito na maging successful, may pangarap din just like you. So parehas kayo rito, tutuparin yung mga pangarap ninyo ng sabay, and it's definitely Knight of Cups energy calling for a date. You're gonna meet up with this person right here who is destined for you. So wow, see another number 8. Look at that, Roman numeral number 5, no, and Roman numeral number 3. So definitely when you add it up, 5 plus 3 is 8, diba? So it's an infinity and beyond symbol. Finances right here, no, is also coming into your life. And if this person here is already in your life, you're connecting with that person already, I do see, no, na parehas nyong nakikita na, uy, may trabaho rin siya. Uy, mabait din siya. Para rin siyang ako, inuuna ko rin yung pamilya ko. You're gonna see, no? Isa-isa na matatantusan mo na yung kakilala mo ngayon, no, nakakakonek mo na ngayon pero wala pang kayo, no? It could be that person already, lalo na kung nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa kanya or nakikita mo yung isang ideal partner sa katauhan niya, no? And others, okay, I do pick up that this person here is already yung iba sa inyo, ka-in relationship nyo na sa, or boyfriend, girlfriend, or spouse na ninyo, no? Like your husband or your wife already. So you're having bonding time together, no? Wala mo na yung mga kids, no? Kayong dalawa muna ito, and definitely there's a surprise date here for you na ihahanda ng iyong partner. So definitely it's a sweet moment right here for the both of you guys, no? So definitely you're creating here a family with your special person. Okay? Yung iba pwedeng wala pa kayong anak, no? But this person right here, nakita ko rito ng matchy-matching energy sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. So, wow! Congratulations, no? You have both dito, no, ng mga blessings, at ma-overwhelm ka na lang talaga sa pagpasok ng biyaya rito, no? So, see, hindi problema yung pumapasok rito, kundi biyaya yan, no? Alam mga babes, no, maisingit ko lang to, no? Alam mo, may mga nababasa ako sa comments, no, simula nung kahit na bago pa, wala pa ako dito sa YT, no, bago ko sa YT, wala pa ako sa YT, no, may mga ganito na, no, may mga energies, may mga tao na nagsasabi sa mga energy readers, na even to me, no, puro kasinungalingan sinasabi ninyo, wala namang nangyari simula ng pakikinig ko sa inyo, yan, no. Puro may mga sinasabing may darating na mga biyaya, puro may sinasabing mga may new love, namuti na lang mata ko, hindi naman nangyari yon. Yan. Well, okay, me, okay, and I stood up sa lahat ng mga energy readers out there, mga babes. No, una sa lahat, okay, this is a general reading right here. But you also have that free will kung gusto ninyong i-claim yung mga mensahe or not. Okay? It's true that if you feel like, no, na para sa'yo yung reading na, gusto ko rin yan, miss yan, yung mga biyaya na yan, gusto ko rin yan matamasa sa buhay ko, yung kaunlaran na yan, yung mga biyaya na yan, paparating para sa akin yan, no, mga ganyan. Okay? It's okay because every human being may opportunity, no, na yan ay posibleng makuha, no. Pero bakit nga ba hindi nangyayari sa kanila kahit na, okay mga babes, no, pwedeng resonate sila doon? Isa lang yan. Okay? Dalawang tanong lang yan. Yan, no, mga babes, no. Ito lang yan, dahil nananatili silang bitter. Paanong bitter? One, it could be hindi pa sila nakaka-move on, no, sa trauma na nangyari sa kanilang life. Like, hanggang ngayon, galit na galit pa rin sila sa ex nila long time ago. Hanggang ngayon, galit na galit pa rin sila dun sa pain na kinos sa kanila ng ibang tao, pinagtradoran, pinagtaksilan, ginawa ng hindi maganda sa pera, sa love life man ito, no? At yung iba, pwedeng kayo to na hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on, no? Sa kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyong life. That's why those things are holding you from receiving blessings. Bakit? Dahil ang mga blessings ay mga bagong blessings, mga bagong biyaya. Pero yung kinakapitan nila, mga babes, no, nagalit, resentment, no, trauma, yun ay mga ano, mga bago ba yun, mga sweethearts? Mga bago ba yun? Hindi, di ba? Yun ay mga nakaraan. Past yun. Okay? Habang kumakapit ka pa rin sa past, kahit hindi mo nare-realize, no, pwedeng subconsciously you're not realizing it, okay? You're not conscious, you're not aware, but your behavior, no, sila mismo, hirap silang i-admit sa sarili nila yon. Tama nga. Bitter pa rin ako ngayon kasi galit pa ako eh. Yan. Because if you keep on clinging on to the past, no, how will the new things enter your life right now? Okay? That's why, yung gas na talaga, no, nakasabihan na let go, ay totoong talagang dapat i-let go. Diba? For you to be able to receive new things. That is why these energies, no, they're still sad right now. They're still angry right now, no? And they're blaming the energy readers. You keep on telling darating yung mga blessings. You keep on telling darating yung new love. Where is new love? Asan yung new love? Ngayon, single pa rin ako. Yan, no? You're making reklamo with your life. You're still bitter. How come new things darating sa life mo? Diba? Start being contented of what you have right now. Start being grateful, no? Hindi ka man kumakain ng steak pa ngayon, pero kakain ka rin ng steak, di ba? Yung almusal mo, kape lang, minsan wala ka pang tinapay. Okay? These energies, when they learn, no, na magpasalamat, no, kahit na eto, thank you Lord, nakarating ako sa school, kahit na kulang yung pambayad ko ng tricycle, ang bait ni Manong, pinasakay niya pa rin ako. Diba? Thank you Lord, nakasakay ako ng bus, nakaupo pa rin ako kahit isa na lang yung upuan para talaga sa akin yun. Wala ka mang car ngayon, wala pa. Pero magkakaroon ka nun. Diba? Paano mangyayari yun? Kailangan mo na maging happy to where you're at right now. That's why other energy readers keep on telling you guys, no, na be in the present moment. Be in the present moment, no? Wag na kayong bumalik-balik-balik sa past. Okay? Yun. Alright? So, happy Sunday everyone. No? Sana nabigyan ko kayo rito ng inspiration and sana nagkaroon rin kayo ng klaro, no, na understanding about this. No? So, yeah, you deserve this. So, sinong hindi? Diba? So, gusto ko rin makuha niyo yan. So, yeah, again, I'm your Yana Oni. Thank you so much and congratulations, no, sa mga energies, no, na ito yung nagre-resonate for you guys. Okay? So, sarang heyo, love in life. Ano?